How to make money in crypto without trading plus best crypto apps in 2025. Intro. Most people think the only way to make money in crypto is trading. But what if I told you? Some of the highest earners in crypto don't trade at all? They analyze. They create content. They build communities. And they use tools to turn knowledge into income. In this video, we'll cover how to become a crypto journalist or analyst, how people monetize their knowledge, and the best crypto trading apps in 2025. Let's dive in. The hidden opportunity in crypto. The crypto industry is growing fast. With constant news, trends, and updates, there's a huge demand for reliable information and analysis. That's where two powerful roles come in. Crypto journalist, crypto analyst. Instead of trading money, you trade information and insights. What does a crypto journalist do? A crypto journalist focuses on news and storytelling. Their job includes writing news articles, covering trends and regulations, interviewing experts, explaining complex topics simply. Think of them as the bridge between the crypto world and the audience. What does a crypto analyst do? Now let's talk about analysts. A crypto analyst focuses on data and predictions. They analyze charts and market trends, study trading patterns, create reports and forecasts, help investors make decisions. So while journalists tell the story, analysts explain what might happen next. Skills you need to get started. You don't need to be an expert to start, but you do need basic writing skills, understanding of crypto and blockchain, data analysis ability, communication skills, and most importantly, curiosity. Because crypto changes fast. How people make money in this space. Now here's the exciting part, income. Crypto journalists and analysts don't rely on just one source. They earn through 1. Subscription content. Offer premium insights behind a paywall. 2. Sponsored content. Brands pay for exposure and reviews. 3. Courses and consulting. Teach others what you know. 4. Webinars and events. Share expertise live and monetize it. This creates multiple income streams. The real game changer, community monetization. Here's where things get powerful. Instead of just posting content, you build a paid community using tools like WordPress, MemberPress, Discord. You can sell memberships, offer exclusive content, share real-time insights, build a loyal audience. This turns your knowledge into recurring revenue. Why communities are exploding in crypto. Crypto communities are growing fast because people want real-time updates. They want expert insights. They want interaction. Platforms like Discord allow live discussions, trading signals, Q&A sessions, private channels, and when combined with memberships, they become powerful business models. Now let's talk tools. Crypto trader apps. Even if you're not trading full-time, you still need tools to understand the market. Here are some of the best crypto trader apps in 2025. Binance, best for low fees. Supports hundreds of coins. Very low trading fees, 0.1%. Advanced trading features. Coinbase, best for beginners. Simple and user-friendly. Strong security. Easy buying and selling. Kraken, best for advanced traders. Futures and margin trading. Deep market tools. Strong reliability. Crypto Hopper, best for automation. AI-powered trading bots. Strategy testing. Reduces manual work. eToro, best for copy trading. Follow expert traders. Social trading features. Beginner-friendly learning. 3 commas, best for portfolio management. Manage multiple exchanges. Advanced automation. Track performance easily. These apps help you track markets, analyze trends, make smarter decisions. The big opportunity most people miss. Here's what most people don't realize. You don't need to be the best trader to win in crypto. You just need to understand the market, share valuable insights, build a community. That's where the real money is. Final takeaway. Let's summarize. Crypto journalism and analysis equals low-risk entry into crypto. Multiple income streams equals scalable business. Communities equals recurring revenue. Apps equals tools to stay ahead. The future of crypto isn't just trading. It's knowledge plus community plus systems. Outro. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And if you're serious about building income in crypto, start by building your knowledge and your community.